Alright, so I've got the supercharger and stuff in, and I've started putting some of the stuff together. I've already come into, I ain't gonna say an issue, just a kind of discrepancy. So if there are any of you guys out there that's done the whipple on an 18 or newer Mustang, let me know. So it's gonna be 2 or 3 weeks before I can get the chance to put this on the car, but while I was waiting around, I figured I'd go ahead and start putting like the fuel rail and everything on. So on the instructions that's on the internet, they show that there is a washer that goes down in here for your fuel injectors to set on to help them. It's kind of like I guess it's a shim. It even looks like it might even have a contour to it. But on this one, I could not find the shims. And it's not in the instructions. So the instructions that came with it, see, shows you telling you how to put the injectors together, and then you jump straight to putting them in the supercharger. And then on mine, the instructions they show on there for the 18s, it shows you how to put the injectors and stuff together. But then it tells you to put these shims in the injector ports. So I'm a little confused there. Now this is an older revision of the instructions. These were back in March 16th of 21. These are May the 17th of 22, the 2018 Mustang. And this is what you get whenever you click on their website for the 2018 Plus Mustang. Here it just says Ford Mustang. So, not sure if that's an issue or if it's not supposed to have them or what, but if any of y'all out there know. So, as far as the build goes, I've got the oil pump gears in. I've got the sprocket in, the supercharger. I'm still waiting on a few fluids. Still need, I think, the antifreeze to come in. Ordered a, save the crank bolt to put in while I'm there doing the gears. But everything's about here. Like I said, it'll be about 3 weeks before I'll have enough time off from work to start on it. Try to get it done in a couple days. But we'll see then.